How to make money on crypto.com app. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnad, and today I'll guide you on how you can earn or make money using the crypto. Now, there are 4 different ways to earn money with the crypto.com application, providing users with multiple opportunities to generate income. Now, what you can do is by utilizing the earning feature on the app, users can earn interest on different cryptocurrencies such as Kronos, Bitcoin, and USDT, providing a passive income stream while diversifying their holdings. Similarly, the app offers flexible and fixed investment options, with a fixed option providing higher annual returns based on the chosen term. Now you can participate in the supercharger campaigns on the crypto.com app that allows users to earn passive income by staking their Chrome coins and receiving a portion of the earnings in Ethereum. Now, one way to make money with the crypto.com application is by utilizing the supercharger feature to earn interest on your Crow holdings. Similarly, the crypto.com app offers a cashback feature, allowing users to receive a percentage of their purchase amount back in the form of cryptocurrency, potentially reducing the overall cost of their purchases. So, hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.